out in Santa Monica, Nike Santa Monica retail store. Downstairs right here got mostly women's. Upstairs right here is the men's, which does include all this customization stuff right here. We did see all that in Korea. Yeah, they got a pretty good setup here. All right, I did pick up something dope. We'll talk about that in a few minutes. They do have the latest 5 release right here. Fire Red 5, one of the OGs with the Nike Air on the back. It does have that black tongue, obviously. Some of the Kobe's right here. The Kobe 9 right here. Jordan Retro section right here. We do have the K-Stone 4s. And almost everything retail, but they do have some stuff that they don't really have anywhere else. They got the Rejuvenate right here in a couple different colorways. I got a third colorway right here. All of them are going for 60 bucks. Then they do have these Diamond Turfs. Have we seen these at other spots? Diamond Turfs right here, 155 for these bad boys. These are pretty cool. And they got a third one right here, or second one, my bad. Second one right here. I've never seen this colorway anywhere. I don't think I've seen that one either. But this for sure, I've not seen it anywhere. 155 for these. They got the indoor soccer shoes right here, the total 90s. A couple different colorways I've never seen before. 115 for those. They got some gold ones right here. Got some silver ones right here. These are the Gatos. Also got them in super blingy red. Also kids are upstairs, and then they got road racing, trail running, basketball, trainers, and then got streetwear over there. I definitely do want one of these eventually. I can't pay 180 though. 180, especially with all the what are the fresh foam moors that I've been getting for way cheap. I don't know. Everybody's talking about how great these are for running. These are the plus. These are going for 180. You got the regular Vomeros down there. 155 for those. Then this is the women's section right here. Not seeing anything too crazy. We got some 5s I've never seen before. 205 for those, and then got these canvas 3s right here. I don't think I've ever seen these. 205 for these as well. And then just Jordan just throwing everything on here. What the hell is this? What is this? Jordan mules right here. Holy cow, 145. Who's paying 145 for that? And the Trunners, these are pretty old school. They're bringing them back right here. These are 135 for these. And I do see some women's Cortez. I don't think I've ever seen these anywhere. But yeah, 125 for both of those. I haven't been out here in ages. They do have a Google store, which is pretty cool, right across from Nike. Holy cow, 3rd Street Promenade. This place used to be crazy packed. We got all kinds of empty stores here. That's insane. Got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle pizzeria. What the hell? Back in the day, this place used to be packed no matter what time you came. I forgot, they did open up a JD Sports here. Let's see what's up. Oh snap, they got one of those sushi tray thingies where you go get your food, right? Isn't that like one of those conveyor belt things? I don't know. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been here because I've never seen the store. Got a little reduced section right here. It's got some skate shoes I've never seen. Pretty light. Kind of interesting look. 120. Were those a women's? I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Got some Reebok leathers and stuff. Nothing crazy though. Nothing crazy. Got the Rare Air 3s, 170. No Forrest Gump Cortez. So I guess it depends on the location. Got LeBron 22s right here. Decent price. We've seen LeBrons for crazy low lately. And there's most spots, plenty of Forces, plenty of Dunks. Of course, I got to go through all the New Balances with that crazy deal that I found at, what was that, Northridge Mall. Some of these are alright, some of them are at $80. 4 80s go for 80, and then $40 for this one here. That's a solid price, decent material. 2002 Rs right here, $35 off. I got the Jordan section right here. And look at this. This is how interesting right here. First time I've ever seen the Mellow 12s on sale. First time I've ever seen 12s on sale. 12s used to sell out like super quick. It looks like they got all sizes. Yeah, 8. Supposed to be 13. But yeah, looks like they got plenty of sizes. Do got a Footlocker. Also got a Shoe Palace we'll check out. They got some socks right here, $15. What are these normally? $28, so they're down to $15. That's actually Not bad. I wanted some non-Jordan ones because my kiddo, he has different brands of shoes. They're all Jordan ones right here. Pretty decent price though. I do got the Grape 5s right here. Also got the latest, as well as some more 1s, 3s, and 4s. They do have the Space Jam mids right here. I haven't seen these anywhere. 135 because these are an SE mid right there. I haven't seen these anywhere. That's dope. Seeing a lot of the latest releases. These are the Ja 3s right here. 125 for these. I think these look really slick. I kind of like these. Kind of like them. 125. I think these are the best Ja's yet. You have plenty of sales right here. I see the Kais right here. I see the AE ones right here. Multiple Kai ones right here. All going for $80. 4 different colorways. Okay. I guess I got 5 different colorways on sale. Got a couple for regular price as well. 125. Got Hardens, which I haven't seen anywhere else. The Harden 9s. I haven't seen that colorway. Men's section over there. You got women's and kids over here. Do got sales. Nothing too crazy. Definitely wanted to check the spot out for you guys, but primarily came here to pick up some sneakers from one of my homies, which I do have in the car. Definitely gonna have to show you guys that these are, I think, a women's. Could be grade school, but 990s right here go for $80. These are 130 for grade school normally. Some women's shocks right here. In the past, we've seen some really steep sales here, but I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been out here in probably over a year. They do have the new Pokemon Crocs right here. A bunch of different Pokemon on it. You know they're not gonna be cheap because the licensing fees they definitely ain't cheap. I don't see a price tag. Usually they have a price tag on all these, but I don't see them on those two. Another Dragon Ball Z one right here. That's the same one. Grade school section right here. Still got the Air Forces, the Valentine's Air Forces right here. But yeah, that's about it though. And then got this unique Shoe Palace location right here. Kind of looks like an old school theater with the lighting. It's kind of cool. That's a pretty dope location for releases because fools be sleeping on this spot. I don't see anything crazy here though, but they're also not one of the brand new stores like a lot of these other stores that have had their, what is it? Their grand reopenings. They do got these bad boys for $60, normally $90, because Nike Santa Monica had them for regular price. These dunks right here, pretty clean, not the greatest material, but pretty clean one. 25 for these. Can match this with almost anything. All kinds of different colorways of Air Max 90s right here. So many different colors. Got some Air Max Plus, all different colors. Go for regular price, so $210 for the Vapor Max Plus. See, I haven't seen these in forever. What is this? What is this? The Air Max TL 2.5. What the hell? I don't know what that is. Still going for $130 though. That's the sale price. Yeah. And then a few of the Air Max 90s on sale. $90. That's not too bad. Reeboks being given away. Do got the Club C 85s. Got the classic leathers right here. $30. These are normally what, 65 or something. That more Club C's. Got the classic nylons right here. $40 for those. Got some classic leathers up top. $30 for both of those. They do got the Kobe's, but these are the grade school. These are grade school, but they do got some of these 120, as well as the black cement 3s right there in grade school. Got some grade school Jordans on sale right here. 110 for these. Haven't seen these in quite some time. $50 for the Court Visions right here. The Flight Courts, my bad. Flight Courts right there, not bad. And then the grade school, 130, 100 for these. Then we got a pair of 9s right here. Oh, for $100 each, not bad. All right, let's see what I came up on. And then I might go check out a few more stores. And then back in my car, did get these from the homie, that guy with the shoes on Instagram. Make sure you guys check his Instagram out and give him a follow. He is hella legit. Hooked me up with these bad boys right here. These are the Jordan 2011s. Those of you guys that don't know, for a few years, they got away from the numbers. After 23, They went to the numbers. I forgot what year was it. Was it 2010, 2011 after? I don't know. But they went to the numbers. This is 2011. And this is the year of the rabbit or something. And yeah, these came with different insoles. This one has the, I think it's Lunar Lawn. I think it was Lunar Lawn. Then has a couple Zoom pods in the front and the back. Does have carbon fiber for a little rigidity. Then this one right here does have a full-length air strobel unit. Still has the carbon fiber and stuff. So some people wanted the really plush insole. Some people wanted the more explosive insole, and they gave you the option right there. It comes with a dust bag, all that type of stuff. From 2011, I don't know if I can see the year right there. Yeah, it says 12/20/10, so 2011 release. Still super clean. It's DS. Can't believe it. I'm gonna have to throw these on feet to make sure they don't crumble. They are 15 years old, 14, 15 years old. That is crazy. Pretty clean though. Pretty effing clean. Gonna have this in my collection. Pretty freaking dope. Appreciate you. Make sure you guys check out his Instagram. Hitting up this one right before they close. Nike ACG. Look at this, $180 down to $35. Got nice lining and everything. Wow. Dang, $35. Starting to see a lot more good apparel. $30 for this white lightweight hoodie. Project Rock right here, $70 down to $20. Not digging the color. Another Project Rock right here. This one's pretty freaking dope. It's a little small though. It's an extra small, $20. North Face 25. I can do a small. I don't think I can do an extra small. That's crazy. Yeah, that's too small. This thing's pretty dope, but yeah, extra small. A little too small for me. But yeah, this ACG pretty freaking dope. More of these Dodgers shirts. $15 for Mitchell and S. It's Kentucky Captivating brand. What the hell? $10. Alright, moving over to the sneakers. We see Nike Manoa boots right here, $80. Those are size 9. Zion 3s. Zion 3s right here, $70. The La France. I think these are the RSX La France. One of the RS series. But yeah, $22. Zoom free 3s right here, $35. $80 for these, which are cheaper at Chic right now. And then of course more of these. More of the, oh, these are down to $35. The Tatum's down to $35, size 11. I was like, are these some 13s? Nope. More of these, $40. And then seeing a ton of these Bondis. More of these Zion 3s going for $70. These are size 12. More of these in the huge sizes. Huge size 15. Of the Ultrafly Trails right here going for $70. What is this? The Hustles? GT Hustle 3s? EYBL colorway. $83. These are huge. What size? 13, 14. Moving over to the women's section over here, where they ain't got nothing in the huge sizes apparently. We do got these KD 16s right here, go for $60, 8.5 women's. These huge effing Crocs right here. Got these on cloud looking Skechers. Vaporflies right here. Vaporfly next percent size 7. And this is a size 7 women's. That's like a 5.5 men's or 5.5 grade school. That is $73. Such a good price for those. What are these? The Water Cat, the ACG Water Cats go for $60. Making sure I didn't miss any other Vaporflies. That's kind of a huge find. What are these? Those Evernons, Big Nike, something like that, $45. Air Max DNs. Right here, $80. Alright, alarm's going off. Alright, I guess we're gonna go to, I think, one last one, I think.